So I'm still here trying to press this bearing out. It's slow work. There we go. There's the old bearing there. Well, what you do, put this back out. Everything's got to be square on this thing when you go to put them back in, right? So we've got the new bearing here. I suggest when you do this, you lubricate it a little bit, alright, which I am going to do that right now. Lubricate it. And then it needs to be pressed back into place so that it's flush. And then when it's flush, the plate gets put back on with its 3 bolts. And then the other one has to be pressed in. So, give me a minute.